Hi, it's your coach, Joe Lucas. Welcome to your Practice Power Daily Power Minute. Welcome to Monday. Welcome to September 17th. Hey, look, I hope you had a great weekend. Today, let's talk about time blocking. And for those of you who know me, and been around me for several years, you know that I believe that a vast majority of advisors, probably 95% of them, really cannot go ahead and time block. Between just staff, administrative things, bad habits, limiting beliefs, that you're compelled to pick up the phone when it rings. But here's a question I want you to start asking yourself each and every morning as a part of your morning ritual and part of your daily game plan creation. Where is my block today to get outbound? So where's my block today to go ahead and make my contacts, to put together those emails, those outbound personalized emails? Where today, Monday, where am I going to do those calls? Get outbound. That's a question, and look, every day might be a little bit different. Now, we know we have a rule or a guideline, right, that says what? Marketing in the morning. So that's when on our tactical days we want to go ahead and do our outreach. So ideally, what you want to look for, and depending on, how many voicemails you're going to have to leave and how many emails you're going to have to write, you might need between a 60 and 90-minute block, maybe 2-hour block, right, to go ahead and make your 10 to 15 contacts a day, which we kind of talk about being the number. Every day it may be a little bit different. Now, for some of you, might be able to kind of stay okay between like 9 and 11, or 9:30 and 10, or 9:30 and 11. I can do that. That's going to be your situation. You're going to have to experiment a little bit. But here's the deal. The standard has got to be that my business day on those tactical days is not over until I hit my contact goal. So what does that mean? Well, that means if it's like 5:30, 6 o'clock in the afternoon, you got one more call to make you do it. If it's 6:30 and you're sitting home or whatever, and you go, I should put that email together for my 15 contact, that is the commitment to excellence and the commitment to standards that you need, or we all need, in order to reach our goals. So I want you to keep that in mind. Let's have a great Monday, great start to the week this week, right? And I'll see you tomorrow.